How to fix can't install Instagram from Google Play Store. So if you're facing a problem while installing Instagram from Google Play Store, then first open up your Google Play Store application and go with the profile which is on the upper right, tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go with the network preferences and then tap on the option of app download preference. And here you need to tap on ask every time and then again tap on over any network and then tap on OK. Once you've done that, now you need to go back and open up your settings on your device. Once you open up your settings, scroll down, tap on apps, and then open up your Play Store on your settings. Once you open up your Play Store, now you need to go with storage and cache, go with clear cache, and restart your device, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your can't install Instagram on Google Play Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.